Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Space Set 6077 from 2015 to 2016. As you can see, get this beautiful moon rover. And there are 4 minifigures in this set. As you can see, this minifigure is a repairman and 2 astronauts. And also the scientist working in a lab. And this, it would make a nice space addition to your LEGO City. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below. And if they would like my contact number, they can just let me know in the comment box, and I would gladly put my contact number in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.